In this video, we are going to discuss about these 5 fruits which you should eat in your breakfast to detox your kidney and keep your kidney healthy. But before we start, please like and subscribe for future updates. Let's start with number 1, watermelon. Watermelon is not only delicious and refreshing, but also very good for your kidney health. It is mostly made up of water, which makes it an excellent choice for hydration. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Lycopene gives watermelon its red color, and it is more readily absorbed by the body when it is cooked or processed. However, eating watermelon in its raw form is still a great way to get this important nutrient. Watermelon is also a good source of vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play an important role in maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Potassium, for example, helps to regulate blood pressure, while magnesium is important for bone health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help protect against cell damage, and vitamin A is important for vision, skin health, and immune function. There are several ways to incorporate watermelon into your breakfast. You can start your day with a slice of watermelon instead of toast, or you can blend watermelon into a smoothie with other fruits and vegetables. You can also add watermelon to your oatmeal or cereal, or use it as a topping for your yogurt. Watermelon is a refreshing and delicious way to start your day and provide your body with important nutrients and antioxidants. So why not give it a try? Start your day with a slice of watermelon and see how it makes you feel. No. 2. Orange. Oranges are not only a tasty and convenient breakfast option, they are also packed with nutrients that can help detoxify your kidneys. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps to protect against cellular damage and supports the immune system. Oranges also contain fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels and prevent constipation. The combination of vitamin C and fiber can help to reduce the risk of kidney stones, which are often caused by high levels of cholesterol in the urine. To get the most out of your oranges, be sure to eat them whole with the peel and the seeds. The peel contains a lot of fiber, and the seeds can help to stimulate the kidneys. You can also squeeze orange juice over your oatmeal or cereal to add flavor and nutrients. If you don't like the taste of orange or find it too acidic, you can try blending it with other fruits and vegetables in a smoothie. This will help to balance the flavor and make it more palatable. Additionally, you can add orange zest to your dishes to add a burst of flavor without the added sugar. Overall, oranges are a nutritious and delicious way to start your day and support your kidney health. So why not give them a try? Eat an orange every day and see how it makes you feel. No. 3. Apple. Apples are a versatile and convenient breakfast option that can help to detoxify your kidneys. They are a great source of fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels and prevent constipation. Fiber can also help to reduce the risk of kidney stones, which are often caused by high levels of cholesterol in the urine. Additionally, apples contain quercetin, a natural compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This compound can help to protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. To get the most out of your apples, be sure to eat them whole with the skin on. The skin contains a lot of fiber and nutrients, so removing it can reduce the health benefits. You can also chop up apples and add them to your oatmeal or cereal, or you can blend them into a smoothie with other fruits and vegetables. If you don't like the taste of apple or find it too acidic, you can try cooking it with cinnamon and a little bit of honey. This will help to balance the flavor and make it more palatable. Overall, apples are a nutritious and delicious way to start your day and support your kidney health. So why not give them a try? Eat an apple every day and see how it makes you feel. No. 4. Berries. 4. Berries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any breakfast that can provide a variety of health benefits, including kidney detoxification. Berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help protect your kidneys from damage and improve their overall function. Antioxidants are substances that help protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can damage your kidneys and lead to kidney disease. Berries are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients can help support your immune system, protect against cellular damage, and maintain healthy blood pressure levels, all of which are important for kidney health. There are many different types of berries that you can eat, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. All of these berries are delicious and nutritious and can be easily added to your breakfast. You can eat them plain, blend them into a smoothie, or add them to your oatmeal, cereal, or yogurt. If you don't like the taste of berries or find them too acidic, you can try cooking them with a little bit of honey or lemon juice. This will help to balance the flavor and make them more palatable. Overall, berries are a nutritious and delicious way to start your day and support your kidney health. So why not give them a try? Eat a handful of berries every day and see how you feel. Number 5, avocado. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit that can provide a variety of health benefits, including kidney detoxification. They are packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Heart health is important for kidney health because the kidneys rely on the heart to pump blood through them and remove waste products. Avocados are also a good source of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E, which can help support healthy blood pressure levels, prevent oxidative stress, and protect against cellular damage. These nutrients can all contribute to improved kidney function and overall health. You can easily add avocados to your breakfast by making guacamole, avocado toast, or an avocado smoothie. If you don't like the taste of avocados or find them too rich, you can try cooking them with lemon juice and a little bit of salt and pepper. This will help to balance the flavor and make them more palatable. Overall, avocados are a nutritious and delicious way to start your day and support your kidney health. So why not give them a try? Eat half an avocado every day and see how you feel. In addition to eating these 5 fruits regularly, it is also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This will help to flush out toxins from your kidneys and keep them functioning properly. You should also avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption, as these can all put extra strain on your kidneys and reduce their ability to detoxify your body. By following these tips, you can help to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly for many years to come. So what do you think about these 5 fruits? Have you tried them before? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you haven't, then I hope this video has inspired you to give them a try. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Now let's check what is your age and what is your height and weight. These 3 questions are basic questions asked to understand your current state of being fit or not. When a doctor examines you, the first thing he does is asks these 3 questions. If you are overweight, obese, or thin, it means that your current food habits are not correct. If you don't tell your doctor about your food habits, your doctor will not be able to diagnose you correctly. If you are looking to lose weight, gain weight, reduce your belly fat, or want 6-pack abs, or want to look fit and fine, then you need to fill your details here. Click the link below. It's absolutely free. It takes just 1 minute of your time. Just click below and fill your details. We'll get back to you shortly. Please go ahead and fill the details below and we'll help you to achieve your goal of getting a perfect body. Get a perfect health. It's absolutely free. Go ahead and click below and get started today itself.